Hey everyone, the Honor Band 9 has officially been unveiled, marking the successor to the Honor Band 7, which made its debut towards the end of 2022. This latest fitness tracker from Honor was introduced during the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate launch event in China, alongside the announcement of the Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche appearance. While the Honor Band 9 has made its appearance on the global website of the brand, detailed pricing and availability information have been disclosed only for its domestic market. The Honor Band 9 features a rectangular AMOLED display reminiscent of its predecessor, the Honor Band 7. However, this time around, the screen is not only larger, but also boasts improved sharpness, smoothness, and curvature. The 1.57-inch panel offers a resolution of 402 by 256 pixels, 302 pixels per inch, and a 60 Hz refresh rate, outshining the older model's 1.47-inch display, with a resolution of 364 by 198 pixels. The device's body maintains a plastic build with a metal-like finish on the sides, and it retains water resistance up to 5 ATM, ensuring durability and suitability for various activities. The Honor Band 9 utilizes Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless connectivity with smartphones running Android 9.0 or higher, as well as iPhones running iOS 11 or later. Pairing is facilitated through the Honor Health app, enhancing user experience and ease of use. In line with contemporary smart wearables, the Honor Band 9 offers an array of health and fitness functionalities. It supports an impressive 96 sports modes, ensuring comprehensive tracking for various physical activities. Additionally, it includes features such as sleep tracking, heart rate measurement, blood oxygen level monitoring, stress level tracking, and more, catering to users' wellness needs. Apart from health-centered capabilities, the Honor Band 9 also incorporates other useful features like music playback control, call alerts, app notifications, weather updates, alarms, and more, enhancing its versatility and utility in daily life. Notably, the device boasts a battery life of up to 14 days on a full charge, ensuring prolonged usage without frequent recharging. The Honor Band 9 is priced at $35 in China, making it an affordable yet feature-packed fitness tracker. It is available in 3 color options, black, purple, and blue, catering to different style preferences. Overall, the Honor Band 9 presents a compelling package with its advanced display, robust connectivity, comprehensive health tracking, and extended battery life, positioning itself as a notable contender in the competitive fitness tracker market. God bless you, have a great day, and feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comment section. See you soon.